Wake up, kids. The morning sun is waiting for you. Let's make today wonderful.
Mom, is it picnic day?
Yes, sweetie, it is. Today is our picnic. Careful, you two.
It's okay, Mom. Biscuit jumped over us. Yay, I can't wait. Me too.
I feel excited.
Me too, this is so fun.
Biscuit is so happy.
Yeah, let's keep jumping.
Get dressed slowly. I will wear my favorite shoes.
Pack the food carefully. I packed sandwiches. I packed juice and cookies. Perfect. We're ready for our picnic.
Good job. Let's go to the car. Everyone in the car.
I want Biscuit next to me. Me too.
Buckle your seatbelts.
Okay, Dad.
Buckling now.
Good. I'll do mine. Biscuit receives a special dog harness.
Woof!
Great, let's go.
The road looks clear. Yes, it does. I see the park sign. Oh, I see it too. The trees are passing fast. We are almost there. Woof! You're excited too, buddy.
This will be a good day.
Wow, the park is beautiful. The sky is bright.
Let's park here. Okay, everyone out slowly. All right, let's go find a picnic spot.
This place feels nice. Can I play first?
First, we set the picnic. Spread the blanket here. That's it. Good job. Now for the basket.
I'm hungry already.
Be careful, Ethan.
I am careful. What? We're having fun.
Oh no, the basket fell. Biscuit passes between my legs at the wrong moment.
The sandwiches are on the ground. My apple rolled away. My juice spilled.
It's okay. We can fix it. Don't worry, it's just a little spill. We can clean it up together.
Apples and bananas everywhere. Let's pick them up.
Look what I brought. A kite. Let's fly it together.
Yes, let's go! Yay, I can't wait!
Ready? Here we go.
Hold the string tight, Ethan. Don't let go.
Okay, Dad, I'm holding it.
That's it. You're doing great.
It's flying so high.
Biscuit, no! Drop the string! Biscuit, come back here! Biscuit!
He is going up! Biscuit is flying! Look at him go! He is floating higher!
Grab his legs. Everybody pull.
That's it, team. Keep it steady.
Look how high it's going.
Got him! Everyone pull together. One.
Biscuit! You almost flew away!
Hee hee, Biscuit. Such a good boy.
Silly Biscuit!
Mom, the wind feels cold. I feel it too, sweetie.
The sky is dark now. The weather is changing.
Is that rain? Yes, rain is starting. First drops fall, then the deluge. I love the rain. It's so fun.
The blanket is getting wet. My cookies! My cookies! Biscuit, no! Not the cookies! Oh, Biscuit, you silly dog! The food is soaked. We should move.
Slowly, don't run. The ground is slippery.
Yes, let's all be careful.
Okay, Dad, I will.
Good. Now follow me.
That's it.
I slipped. The ground is so wet and muddy.
You're my best friend.
Are you hurt?
No, but I'm muddy.
My clothes are dirty.
Mine too.
This picnic is falling apart, but we can still have fun together. Let's go to the gazebo and enjoy the rain.
The storm is getting worse. We have to keep moving forward. We can't stop now. We will make it through this together.
I feel cold. Me too. But look at the rain.
Yes, it's so heavy.
Where's Biscuit?
I don't know, Dad.
Let's look together.
Is Biscuit lost?
We'll find him.
Stay close to me.
He was right here.
Biscuit, where are you?
Biscuit, you were hiding in there the whole time.
Oh, Biscuit, you're all wet.
Good boy, Biscuit. Let's get you dry.
I found you.
Come on, Biscuit. Let's go back to the car.
Good idea.
Come here. Hold hands. Let's go back to the car.
The food is ruined. I feel sad. The clothes are wet. Me too. I know. Sometimes plans break.
Look at Ethan's face. Look at Emma's hair.
The rain made us all wet.
But it's fun.
This is still our day. Even with all this rain, we can still find the fun together.
Finally. Everyone in the car.
Biscuit shook his fur.
And sprayed everyone.
Now we can go.
Biscuit, no! Ew!
Sit close. It sounds calm now. Listen to the rain.
Was the picnic bad? It was hard, but it was real. We laughed together, even in the rain. Yes, we always find a reason to smile. It's the best! It is.
Here we go, everyone. Careful, it's hot. That's what matters. Family moments like this.
Oh, Biscuit. Biscuit, what a mess. He's so funny.
That's our Biscuit. Days don't have to be perfect.
Families stay together,
Yes, they do.
no matter what.
I'm glad.
I still love today.
Me too. Why?
Everything feels special.
Yes, so warm.
I agree.
Next time we try again. Together. Don't worry, mistakes happen. We'll figure it out as a family. Right, everyone?
Was the picnic bad?
It was hard, but it was real. We laughed together, even in the rain. Days don't have to be perfect.
Families stay together. I still love today.
Me too. Next time we try again. Together.
Today we learned some important words. Let's review together. The first word is picnic. A picnic is a meal you eat outside in nature. Let's mime a picnic. We spread a blanket and eat yummy food.
The second word is storm. A storm brings rain, wind, and dark clouds.
The third word is together. Together means as a family, as a team. Together?
Yes, together.
Together, like a team. Exactly.
Let's spread the blanket on the grass. We say this when we start a picnic.
The weather is changing. Say it slowly. The weather is changing.
We will make it through this together.
One more time.
We will make it through this together.
Days don't have to be perfect. This is our lesson for today.
Families stay together. That is the most important lesson of all.
Look at Ethan's face.
Wow, he's funny.
Look at Emma's hair.
It's so messy.
Just like you.
You both look funny. This is still our day.
Sit close. It sounds calm now. The rain is so gentle. It's like a lullaby.
Listen to the rain.
It sounds nice.
Yes, it is very calming.
I like listening with you.
If you want to learn more English with us, subscribe to our channel.
Please comment below and tell us your favorite moment.
Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. It's a fun way to help us out. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next story. Goodbye, friends.